Hello from all of us at Singapore Airlines. We are looking forward to welcoming you on board again.
A lot has changed in the last few months, but one thing has not: our promise to make sure your journey with us is safe from check-in to landing. Here's what we're doing to keep that promise. You'll find hand sanitizers provided throughout the airport, as well as increased cleaning and disinfection of frequently visited places. We are committed to setting new standards of safety for travel, as well as ensuring a smoother journey through the use of technology. For example, to minimize contact, you may check in online with the Singapore Air mobile app. Remember to keep your contact details up to date to receive real-time flight status alerts on your phone, and visit our website for the latest health and safety information. If you would like to read during your flight, use the Singapore Air mobile app to download complimentary newspapers and magazines from our e-library before boarding. When it is time to board, simply present your boarding pass to our staff.
Our care for your well-being continues on board. Safety starts with us. Before your flight begins, every aircraft is thoroughly cleaned. And as you step on board, you can expect new headsets, as well as fresh headrests and pillow covers, bed sheets and blankets. Lavatories are regularly disinfected for your comfort and safety. All our aircraft are equipped with HEPA filters which keep the cabin air clean. The air in our cabins is refreshed every 2 to 3 minutes. You may control the in-flight entertainment system remotely from your phone with the Singapore Air mobile app. We are also continually making adjustments to our food and beverage service for your well-being. And if anyone feels unwell during the flight, our cabin crew are on hand to assist.
Throughout your journey with us, rest assured that we are working hard and using the latest technology to make sure you are safe and well informed.
We look forward to seeing you soon.